What's up, guys? Today I want to show you what I bought on Amazon for 36 pounds or something. It's the cheapest probably dome port you ever can buy, and it's pretty nice. It comes already mounted, assembled, and it's like it got this nice neoprene bag, and it got the GoPro. I'll put down the camera a second. This is a very improvised review, but because there's none on YouTube, I wanted to show you guys what it's like, if I can. It's not the easiest to get out, but this is a nice this is a very nice neoprene bag that you can put on and you avoid to get scratch on the dome. And this is the dome. I think is pretty nice, well made. It's like solid plastic, really lovely. The shooter, as you can see here, so you can shoot your thumb, and also you got the modes here on the side. You got the water line here, and you can see, yep. And also you got the open port here, so you can open really easy from here and open up. So this is like perfect for GoPro 10 and 9 because they're like the same, and hopefully it'll be okay also for the following GoPros, maybe if they keep the shape. Yeah, it looks really nice. In the box you'll find also this little wedges, which I don't really know. I think there are two. If you have the GoPro that shakes inside, but I would prefer if they were like, you know, sticky, but they're not. Like, I thought they were like stickers to put in to wedge the inside if the GoPro shakes, but I think they're not sticking, so probably just to put on the bottom in case the GoPro moves too much. And that's it. So it's the dome port XTGP 559, and that's all you get. I think it's pretty good, and I can't wait to try it. It's not huge, okay? It's like I don't remember. I think it's like 5 centimeter deep and probably 12 centimeter wide, I think. So it's like a fairly, I mean, with a smartphone, it's a fairly small thing to carry around for travels, and I think it will really look great in the water to film surfers or to take pictures of half and half, you know, in the water. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.